close the door, Collie.
There's this man who had stocks, okay? So he sees this man, he says, I need to pay for him. So, he sees him, and he says, hey, sir, do you have that license? Looks in his hat. Yes, sir, I do. Shows the man. Yes. Well, looks down, sees duck, sticks his finger in his butt. This is an Alabama duck, sir. Do you have an Alabama license? Looks in his hat. Yes, sir, I do. Well, so, he looks down, sees another duck, sticks his finger in his butt. This is a Texas duck, sir. Do you have a Texas license? Looks in his hat, looks in his boots. Yes, sir, I do. Shows the man. He says, hey, sir, where are you from? I don't know. You tell me.